So if you're struggling with time management, maybe this can help. It's called the priority matrix, and here's how it works. It's based off of four different categories based off of importance and urgency. So here you have tasks that are highly important and highly urgent, tasks that are low on importance but still high on urgency, tasks that are high on importance but low on urgency, and finally the tasks that are both low on importance and urgency. So you'll make a list of all of your different projects or tasks that you have to do for the day and then place them in one of these four categories. You will then start by doing the tasks that are high on importance and urgency. You will schedule the tasks that are low on importance and high on urgency. You will hand off or delegate those tasks that are high on importance and low on urgency. And finally, just delete those tasks that are both low on importance and urgency. So let me know in the comments below if you give this a try and tell me what you think.